the moment of truth. I got my air fryer. It just arrived today, and we're gonna unbox the air fryer. I bought this online on Saturday, and it's already arrived. Today's Monday, so I'm pretty impressed with the speed. Another box. It's nicely packaged. Voila, my air fryer. So it's got this little baking tin. You can make cakes inside the air fryer. And this is another accessory, I guess. Put it in here. So now it's in my kitchen, and I'm going to try out. I just put in a handful of crispy frozen tofu, and I'm gonna see whether it works. And there you go, crispy tofu, yum. Again, I'm gonna try mushrooms next. These are Irangi mushrooms that I've cut into small pieces. I've put a little tiny bit of oil on them, and gonna see whether they become crispy. Okay, I've given up on the mushrooms. It probably might work if it takes a bit longer, but yeah, I'm just gonna dump it into my soup. So I'm gonna leave you here today, but subscribe to my channel to see how I progress with my air fryer skill.